We got all the footings dug, but today we are dialing them in with the transit, and we're going to get them all level. And starting tomorrow, we're going to start pouring. It's been averaging 100 degrees, and we work until about 12. If it comes in earlier, we normally work till about 11. Then we pick back up around 5 or 6 when the shade ends up. Sun goes behind these trees here, and then we get shade. Heat's still here, but at least we're not being toasted by the radiation. Well, it's a beautiful day on this gorgeous Saturday morning. Concrete guys are showing up in order to do the job that I was supposed to do, but I threw my back out. Turned 60 a week or so ago, and I don't know, turning 60 must have made me age or weakened my back or something to that effect, because I just don't have the strength in my back. All I did was just bent over to look underneath my truck. I stood up and whammo. Chiropractor time. Well, my old war horse here took a beating moving those containers. Didn't have walkie-talkies talking with the guy on the skid steer. So at 2 different points, and as you can see here, the first time he pushed the container into the truck, and da-da, we had to have a matching set. So number 2, tail light got wiped out also. Finally got the pillars filled. We're just finishing, kind of leveling everything out around the pillars, and we still have to cut our barrels down and then weld our plates to the rebar. So this is our method of how we're getting it done. As you can see, there's the metal plate sunk down into the rebar, but we are actually welding the rebar to the plate, and that should give us a great foundational support. Well, in the last month we have a lot of major projects that we have pretty much accomplished. We got the new septic system in. We have our new shop put in, and And all of this is a work in progress. See all of that insulation board over there? It takes a long time to insulate a building this size, especially once you start working the ceiling. So that's in the works. We finally got the bathroom in and all plumbed to the septic tank. So that's pretty good. We have the line here, which got slightly covered up, which shouldn't be. That has to run over to our main septic line over there. Our power moved, separated for the shop and the home, and we're moving along. Are cleaning the plates and welding the plates to the rebar. And then hopefully tomorrow, if all goes well, we're going to start loading all of the containers up onto the pillars. Everything is ready to go.